Hello gamers, welcome to this Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart video. And well, in this video I want to show you the location of the 5 Grunthors so that you can get your trophy. And well, the first two I think you can not miss it. Basically they are on your path through the story. So as soon as you find the morts and you move forward, you're gonna see this one crossing this bridge. He is already fighting this bunch of enemies. So just get into the fight and finish him. After that area of the first Grunthor, then you can take this spittle to jump this bridge to the second area that is gonna take you to Rivet's hideout. There is the second one again. I think you can basically just not miss it. So same thing, just fight him and take him down. That's gonna be your second one. Okay, for these ones, the number 3, 4, and 5 is kind of hard to me to try to describe, so just pause the video when I'm showing the maps so that you can see where they are located. So well, this is basically the third one. Number 4, well, I'm getting here using Trudy, and you can see that again this one is already in a fight with some goons for less. So same thing, just get into the fight and finish that goon for. That's gonna be number 4. And well, finally number 5. For this one, I have already collected my 25 gold bolts. Um, so I have activated the infinite ammo, so that makes the fight incredibly easier. And well, so that was the location. I can just go a little bit back to the map, and where that center of the map was pointing, I'm just gonna get there using Trudy. And well, same thing, just fight it. That's gonna be number 5, and you should get your trophy. So well, as always, I hope you find the video useful, so please remember to subscribe and leave your leave your like. And well, I hope to see you on the next video.